Today I'm going to show you how to create and embed a Typeform within Webflow. This is a great way to collect feedback, run surveys, or gather any kind of user input directly on your website without needing to set up complex backend systems. If you want to get started on Typeform, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to typeform.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your account details handy so you can access your dashboard quickly. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Typeform workspace where you can manage all your forms and surveys. Now look to the upper left panel of your screen. Here you'll see a button that says plus, create a new form. Click on that button and you'll be presented with a few options for getting started. From these options, select Start from Scratch. This gives you complete control over your form structure and content, allowing you to build exactly what you need. Once you've selected Start from Scratch, you'll see a welcome screen appear. This is the first thing your respondents will see when they open your form, so it's important to make it engaging. Next, locate the plus Add Content button in the upper left corner and click it. A drop-down menu will appear with various content types you can add to your form. For this tutorial, click on drop-down, but feel free to choose whatever question type works best for your needs. You'll need to type a question to enable the share button later on. In the question field that appears, type your question. For example, you might ask something like, "What could we do to improve our service?" Once you've typed your question, press Enter to confirm it. This action will create the question field and allow you to add response options. Now click on Type or select an option. Here, you'll add the choices that respondents can select. For instance, you might type faster response times and clearer communication. After entering your choices, click Save Choices to lock them in. This ensures your drop-down menu is properly configured with all the options you want to offer. With your question set up, look to the upper right panel and click the Share button. This will automatically publish your form, so give it a few seconds to load the page. You'll see various sharing options become available once the publishing process completes. Here's something important to note. In order to enable the Embed Code tab, you must first upgrade your Typeform account. Since I'm using a free trial account, I'll walk you through the next step as if the upgrade has already been completed. Once your account is upgraded, select the Embed Code tab. This is where you'll find the iframe code that allows you to place your Typeform directly onto your Webflow site. Copy the full iframe code that appears on the screen. Make sure you copy everything to ensure the embed works correctly. Now switch over to webflow.com and open your site in the designer. Navigate to the specific page where you want your form to appear. This could be a contact page, a feedback page, or anywhere else that makes sense for your site's structure. Once you're on the right page, drag the embed element from the Add panel. You'll find this by clicking on Components, then selecting Embed. Drag this element to the exact spot in your layout where you want the Typeform to appear. This gives you full control over placement and sizing. Paste the Typeform iframe code you copied earlier into the Embed Elements code field. This connects your Typeform to your Webflow site. After pasting the code, click Save and Close. Your Typeform is now embedded and ready to collect responses directly through your Webflow website. And that's it. You've successfully created and embedded a Typeform within Webflow, giving your visitors a seamless way to interact with your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.